Hello and welcome back. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you guys to share. And let's start off with these. I don't know where the rest are. I purchased a bunch of paints and probably in another bag in another room. But anyways, this is by Sergeant Art. It's a tempera paint. This one's in black. And this is 4 fluid ounces. This is also 4 fluid ounces, and it's from the same brand, Sergeant Art, but this is white. Also got this one, and this is by Rich Art, Acrylogy, Premium Acrylic Paint, also 4 ounces, white. The difference with this, I didn't realize it. This one is more of a cream finish, cream finish, and this is more of a stark white. This one is, but it's okay because anyway, I'll show you guys what I use them for in the future. I picked up these 2 sets of pins. They were cute. One says girl and the other says boss, and it's little tiny pearls. It's in gold tone, and I got it in silver tone. Outlined in little tiny pearls. I picked this up. It's by Crafter Square Embossing Stylus. Double-ended, small and medium ends. Picked up 2 of these actually. One is for my arts and crafts stuff, and one is for my nail art stuff. Also picked up this Crafter Square 2-piece brush set. And anyways, I'll show you guys when I'm ready to share with you. Picked up a few of these pencils by Crayola. They're number 2 pencils, smooth writing graphite, latex-free colored erasers, which is awesome. And if you see the erasers are different colors, you can't really see it on the packaging like that, so let's just do this. How pretty. Crayola. But the pencils themselves just regular graphite writing pencils. This is 6 pencils. I have a few packs of those. I have grandkids. Graphite is so awesome, also for sketching. Picked up a few packs of this Crafter Square craft sticks. These are the longer ones. This is for project my husband's working on. And I only found 2 of these, unfortunately. But they're wood frames. Unfortunately, I only found 2. I'll be on the lookout, because I need at least 8 more. Picked up this double pack of bandanas. It's a white on blue, and the other one is blue on white. Excuse me, white on blue and blue on white. Those of you that have been with me for a while know 2 of my favorite colors is blue, and I'd love to pair it with white. I have a bunch of different colors, but different favorite colors, but blue seems to be my #1 favorite since I was a little girl. Picked up this bonus 10% more Power Stick anti-perspirant deodorant. It's an Intensity. I don't know the rest of the soaps, but this is a 2-bar of Irish Spring Aloe. As soon as I find the other 2 missing bags, I believe it's 2 or 3, I'll share them in another video. Picked up these 2 Nickelodeon SpongeBob SquarePants figurines. And this one is Patrick Star. There's 5 in the collection. And that one there's Patrick Star. And this one is SpongeBob SquarePants. So I only saw these 2. So. Grandkids love these. They absolutely love these. for this DC Comics Wonder Woman figurine. And there's 6. Oops, excuse me. There's 6 in this collection from DC Comics. Excuse me. This is a Justice League. This is Superman, and his blue outfit is metallic. Really nice. And this is Batman. It's just Justice League, but it says metallic. I picked up a close-up style toothbrush. I got 3, 4, 5 so far of these Barbie accessories. Comes with a little stand. This is a headband pack, but it also has 2 pairs of shades in the bottom. See the purple and the yellow. And the rest of the headbands. It comes with a little stand. It's real cute. This is a shoe pack. 4 pairs of shoes. Isn't that cute? And this is the same, excuse me, shades and headbands. Only thing is the colors. Different colors, that's it. And these are more shoes. You guys know me, you know I have 5 granddaughters. Yeah. And I believe there's some missing of those. I picked up this E-Circuit earbuds with case. And rhinestones on them. That's cute. Okay. Yeah, that's like 2 to 3 bags missing. Not that I'm looking at everything. But that's okay. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. Yeah. As soon as I do eventually find the stuff that I like. Eventually. Make sure these are tight. Although in the store I always check to make sure that's on there. The seal. Okay. I am sorry. I'm being a little disorganized today. Okay. I'm going to share these. I picked up a few of these. I'm just going to share one because it's not necessary to share all of them. This is by Tool Bench Hardware. It's a 4-function pocket tool. It's heavy. It's got good weight to it. So it's got the knife, the can opener, the nail file, and a saw. Isn't that cool? Pretty heavy. Yeah, I picked up quite a few of those, but they're all the same. More of that. Okay, I never saw this in Dollar Trees in my areas before, so out of curiosity, they only had one. I would like a few more because I have my granddaughters. But anyways, it's a Sassy and Chic electronic nail kit for acrylic and natural nails for manicures and pedicures. Portable, travel size, easy to use. 4-piece set includes 1 electronic base holder, 1 shaping tool, a cuticle pusher, a buffing tool. Requires 1 AA battery, not included. Pick these up for the grandsons. This is Hot Wheels, a launcher. And I will play with this now. But anyways, yeah. And of course, there's more than one. You just have more than one grandson. Picked up more than one of these. It's a first aid kit. It's 18 pieces. And it doesn't have too much in it. So there's a lot of loose stuff for first aid that I can put in here. Open it up here like that. Yeah. Includes 8 cotton swabs, 1 tweezer, 1 mini scissor, 2 adhesive bandages, one safety pin, 4 safety pins, a smaller one, and one multifunctional knife. I can fit more band-aids in it, but anyways, yeah, got a few of those. Got these for the granddaughters. And this is by Princess. Just says Princess. And it's like a little headband tiara. I like it because it has the teeth. And it comes with this plastic sheet of bling. So even if you're not going to celebrate Halloween, if your children are not going to do Halloween, it's good for dress up. This is just pretending dress up fun. It's a LED tiara. Batteries included. See? Just to dress up. How cute that is. It's the back. And this one lights up. So yeah, this is cat. And it doesn't have the teeth like this one. This one's plastic. I'm sure this is plastic underneath this velvet also. I don't feel any teeth, but anyways, it's just like velvet. And that's pretty right there. And it also comes with bling. Some black bling and some, I'll show you the difference. So it's like more clear. This is more like a gunmetal. It's really pretty. Show you a little example in the back. Super cute, you see? Just a little makeup. It's good for not even makeup. I don't believe she has any makeup on. She just has the bling bling. So cute. Good for dress up, as I stated. And I got a few of these for grandkids. It's by Crafter Square. Pencil and brush organizer. 49 holes, keeps brushes and art tools organized. Ideal for artists and crafters. First time I had seen this. Local Dollar Tree also. And there's some of these missing also. I'm telling you, yeah, there's 2 to 3 bags that are missing. I played with this one so much. What it looks like already. It's a little one of those squishies. This one's really soft and slow. I like it. It feels so nice. It's a slice of cake. Don't I wish? So I got that one. And the tag tore off of it. Anyways, super soft squishy toy. It's a little mermaid. Really soft. Llama. Cute little llama. And I love this one. It's a rainbow with clouds. Turn it around, the clouds have little faces. Okay. Yeah, I'm missing at least 3 bags. Now that I'm looking at it. Anyways, you do right. Pick these up. And I got 2 of each. If they have any more like this style, I will pick some up. I haven't done my nails in a long time. I know, guys. I might do a video of me doing my nails. But anyways, these are all oval shaped. And they're iridescent. Doesn't say color or name, but we know our colors, right? That's pink. Wait a minute. Pink iridescent, like eternal. Oh my goodness. Very pretty. Very pretty. It brings 12 in each pack. So that's the pink. Of course, my favorite color, blue. Iridescent again. And this one is stunning. It's a pearl. Iridescent pearl. Wow. So yeah, I picked up 2 of each of those. I like them. Okay, so let me put this up. So how are you all doing, my friends? Hope you're all doing great. Oh, what's that? Oh, forgot about that. Picked up a couple of these. Yeah, I'm missing bags. Yeah, I am. Because at least 4 more of these. Anyways, it's Carefree Original regular panty liners. It's 20. So that's it. That's the Dollar Tree haul for now, till I find the other bags. Thank you for watching. And yeah, those other things that I shared have fallen out of my bag. So I looked over and saw it. So after I finished recording, I shared it. So I'll include that together with this. So till next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.